Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. As you can see, the studio is blue because we are neither red or green right now for XRP. But could we be about to see a 50% crash? Senay already predicted a 25% crash. We had that virtually twice. The first time was about 20%. The second time was around about 25%. Our members took advantage of both of those positions and was able to accumulate more XRP. But it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when we get another crash of up to 50% on the table. We still believe that. Today is going to be a slightly different show because we know that many of you are interested in XRP. This is one of your major positions. Senay is on holiday, but he's just recorded and sent to me via Switzerland his assessment of XRP. I'm going to be playing that for you in a few moments. He's unable to be here with us live today, and rather than cancel the show, this is my day off. Senay takes the Sunday show. I decided to cover it because so many of you want to be prepared for tomorrow morning, and we do have a report from Senay, and all the members can now access Senay's reports now as well, information on that information, training and knowledge on our Discord server as well. It's a members perk and everyone can access that. All right, so that's coming up in a minute. This is only going to be a 1 hour show. In this hour, we're going to cover all the latest news for XRP and what we're going to expect overnight tonight and we're going to expect in the morning. Plus, we have Senay's report just recorded, sent in from Switzerland while he's skiing down the slopes. We're going to be presenting that to you. So that's coming up in a minute. But today is also a very special day. We've got lots to commemorate today. I've just accepted an interview to be interviewed talking about XRP later on this week. So I'm going to be on a YouTube channel being interviewed, questioned, challenged about XRP. Now, if you want to see that, I will give you all the links to that in a moment. It's actually on my X account. So if you go to my X account, you will. I'll put the X account in the chat right now. It's the one post from the top. You can tune in to the live event. It'll be unedited, unscripted. I've got no idea what I'm about to be asked, but I'm going to be asked and quizzed about XRP live. So if you want to join me for that, you'll find the information on my X account. Also, for all the Lucasades, we'd like to remind everybody, we have just sent out Mike's special care package. For those of you who don't know, Mike is our #1 fan, #1 supporter of the show. He was here on day one. He supported us, unconditionally, that watches everything, shares everything, does all the social media. Absolutely fantastic. And because of that, we wanted him to come and join us this Saturday, 6 days from today. We're having a members-only get-together just outside Dallas. We're having a party, an evening out together. People are coming from all over the world to be with us. It's a members-only event. If you want to join us for the event, it's members only. If you look on the homepage of the channel, you'll scroll down and you'll find the members only events here. And there is the big surprise, tells you all about the event. It's also in the description of this video. It's members only, so only members can access that. And you'll be able to find out where we're meeting just outside Dallas on Saturday, this coming Saturday. Because of that, Mike was unable to attend, unfortunately. He's had a bit of bad run with his finances, with his investments. So all of a sudden, all the members decided to give love to Mike, and everyone donated money live on the show. It was incredible. Super chats were flying in. So today, 4 parcels have gone off to Mike up in Virginia, and he's going to be receiving lots and lots of gifts from the members, from all of the Lucasades. So thank you very much indeed. Again, if you want to know more about that, look at my social media. There's my Instagram. There's my X. If you prefer not to use X, many people have left X now, you can go to Blue Sky. Here is my Blue Sky. You will see all the information and you'll see the videos of what Mike sends back. He's going to do an unboxing of it all and send it in. Okay. So there we go. So shall we get straight on with it? We do have the video coming up in a minute. We've only got 53 minutes left of this show to go. It's a 1 hour show. At the end of the show, in 53 minutes, I will be doing onboarding for any of those that want to access our training, our knowledge, our information from our team, including Senay, of course, in Discord. At the end of this, I will onboard everybody. So in 53 minutes from now, when the show ends, I will do onboarding for everybody that wants to access that. So if you are a member or you'd like to become a member, there is the link to becoming a member. And here's the membership video, tells you all the perks you get. And there is Discord. It will take 10 minutes to get signed up. Once you've got signed up, we'll be able to admit you. Now, if you've already got signed up, but you've not been onboarded yet, wait until the end of the show in 51 minutes from now, and I will onboard you. And if you've been onboarded, but you still haven't had a friend request accepted, or you are a Discord premium member and you've not had a friend request accepted yet, that's because you'd have to be a YouTube member to be accepted. And to do that, just drop me your username in the chat at the end of this show in 50 minutes from now, and I will onboard everybody. Okay, there you go. That's what's coming up today. We will go to members only in a moment when it gets busy. Let me see who's here. Welcome everybody in. Blessed day. If it crashes, good buying opportunity. Well, we'll talk about that in a moment. Good news, 100% results, 100% XRP, 1%. The dub in the street, another 50% crash. Still valid news, guys. Could definitely be a gift to buy more. XRP, says Rick M. SV Atlas still holding around 240 when heading to sub 2. Again, MG, G man, are we all waiting for it to plummet? Good evening, Martyn. I sold out the other day because of some hard times. Isaiah, nothing wrong with that, taking profits. And as we talk about it, XRP is going down again. Anyway, let's get through all our comments. Good evening, all. Who's the interview with? Martyn, the interview is with, let me just go to my X account and tell you, the interview is with POW Group, POW Group. If you go to my X account, all the details are there. It's the post just under today's XRP post, and you can find out all about it. XRP gonna crash. What? Let's have a look. Yeah, man, let's go. Good day, mate. Corey, get on with it. You're not one of our members, so we're here for the members. This is not for you. If you want to rant and rave and shout at the screen, get on with it and be rude. Go and watch something else. This is not for you. This is a supportive channel where we engage with everyone, including people like you who are very rude. So if it's not for you, please go somewhere else. I wish this is going to crash. I need to load more. Brian Barnum, hello family. Good day, everyone. Why should it crash? Evening, people. It's gonna dump. LD. Right. Okay, I think we've covered all the questions for now, so let's get on with some news. Senay is about to give us a report as well, so stand by for that. Okay, let's first of all start with, let's have a look how many people are watching right now. We've got 491. So we're going to put the news out about XRP. So what we need now is 100 likes. In fact, we could actually go to 200 likes very, very easily in 1 minute. So let's get the likes up. We want to get YouTube to suggest this news out. So we bring all our XRP family in. We are number one now on YouTube for XRP. We have the biggest female audience, 12.8% now female audience, which is the highest of any crypto channel. So let's start with this. Here we go. You ready? Okay, let's bring it up right now, and let's put 1 minute on the clock. We've got 541 watching now. It's going up very, very quickly. Let's get 200 likes so we can get suggested on YouTube. Are you ready? Let's bring up the funky music, and let's go. All right, we want to see 200 likes there in 1 minute from now. Let's refresh the screen. 23 has now turned into boom, 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 boom. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 128. Wow, that was quick. All right, just a few more moments then. We'll get to 200 and then we'll refresh the screen and then we'll get straight on all the XRP news, including Senay's special recording sent in from Switzerland as he goes down the mountains. 149. It's going up really quickly now. 149, which want 51 more. We've now got 500. Whoops, a daisy. Where's it gone? 568 watching. We're coming up to be 1,000 in a moment. 165. Tap the like button. If you're part of the Lucozade family, part of the XRP army, tap the like out. We want to get the message out as quickly as possible. 179. We just need 21 to go. We're nearly there. We'll count down 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, all just 11 to go. So 1 second now. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And I pressed the wrong button, but don't worry about that. I pressed the wrong button.
Has become a member.
We got a new member. 200 likes. Okay, we did it. Fantastic, fantastic. Now, all those that become members, we will onboard you all at the end. A silver member also gets all the extra perks of going on the homepage of the channel, gets preferential priority treatment in the Discord to talk to Senay and the team. So all of you that are silver or any members, stand by and we'll onboard you at the end of the show, which is in 46 minutes from now. But now we're going to get on with all the news, including Senay's special video that's just been sent in a few moments ago from Switzerland, as he is not able to be here. I'm covering it. Now, before I tell you this is quite a special day today because Sunday is normally my day off, but I'm covering it for Senay as he's on holiday. It's kind of weird, really. It's my own show. It's my channel. Anyway, I'm covering my own show because my partner's away. Anyway, today I'd like to announce to you, very special day. It's mine and Leah's US wedding anniversary. We were married 7 years today. And you'll all know if you followed the show, 6 months from now, we are married 7 years again in the UK. So we got married today in Texas 7 years ago today. 7 years married today, and 6 months from now, we'll be married 7 years in the UK. So me and Leah are drinking champagne with orange juice today. So I'd like to wish everybody who supports us all the love and thank you very much indeed. Cheers. 7 years today. All right. And she's been behind this journey ever since we started. Right, new story number one. Building up now to where we see the markets going and the bigger picture around XRP just before I give Senay's report to you. So here we go. So Goldman Sachs, and this is important. Thank you very much indeed, Giles. I will give all the perks at the end. Goldman Sachs sees limited AI adoption by firms. This is very, very important to understand this. Some people are saying, has the AI bubble burst? And that's important for XRP. We'll come on to that in a minute. Artificial adoption by companies remains modest, with only 6.1% of US firms currently utilizing AI to produce goods or services, compared to 5.9% in the third quarter, said Goldman Sachs. So is it slowing down? The finance and insurance firm led the pack with the largest increase in adoption rates, while information, education, manufacturing firms reported a decline, the brokerage said. According to Goldman, large companies with over 250 employees have the highest adoption rate of 10% and report the largest expected increase in adoption over the next 6 months. While adoption has doubled in small to mid-sized businesses over the past year, many firms are still concerned about cybersecurity and identifying profitable use cases, the brokerage added. We continue to see large impacts on labor productivity in the limited areas where generative AI has been deployed, says Goldman. Academic studies imply a 23% average uplift to productivity, while company anecdotes imply slightly larger gains of around 30%. Goldman sees AI-related investments growth as continuing to be strong, particularly for semiconductor firms where equity analysts, revenue experts, and growth of 33% from current levels by the end of 2025. Since the release of ChatGPT, analysts have upgraded their end 2025 revenue projections for semiconductors by 187 billion and AI hardware enablers of 139 billion. It's worth mentioning this story. I hope you can see the connections. Now, this is important because in a couple of days' time, we are covering this here, the FOMC report. This is important. This will be a huge event, possibly 10 to 20,000 people. Will we get a pause on rates? There's some real fear now that inflation is sticky. And this is important to mention. Are you still feeling bullish on XRP Ripple right now? We're going to come on to Senay's report on the charts in a few moments. Here is the link if you want to vote. I want to see if our poll of XRP has changed. There it is. There's our poll. It's our community page on our YouTube channel. So we're starting off 0 votes. Let me refresh the screen. The question is, are you still bullish on XRP? It's going sideways and starting to break down. Senay predicts a 50% drop is coming. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Let me just have a look. See how you still feel. Right, we've had our first 45 votes in the first 45 seconds. That was quick. No, 56% are not feeling bullish on XRP. That's our first report ever that has been not bullish on XRP. Now, that's very, very important. This is what we call the Lucas-Archie, like a Fibonacci, the Lucas-Archie indicator. This has always proved to be extremely accurate and extremely reliable because it's in our membership and our community of real investors. It also trends on Google, but it doesn't find its way into Reddit. It doesn't find its way into StockWits. So it doesn't find its way into idiots just constantly saying it's going up to $1 million. We don't need those people. They're a waste of space. YouTubers trying to sell videos. Nonsense. We don't do any of that here. And this is interesting. The real investors, the ones that have a say, the ones that own the stuff, the ones that understand what's going on for the very first time are now saying, no, we are not bullish on XRP at the moment. Let me refresh it. 45 votes. How's that changed? 64 votes, 48% now, 48%. So we'll come back to that when we've heard from Senay and our final reports. Be interesting to see how your thoughts change. So the overall market is important. Will we get rate cuts? Will people use crypto as a hedge against inflation? Well, Bitcoin is doing that at the moment, but XRP isn't. Fed quarterly report to show revised dot plot for 2025. This is important, right? Will we get a 0.25 or a pause? A Federal Reserve report in the coming week will show that central bank officials expect fewer cuts to interest rates in the coming year. Exactly. I called the bull market when it started 6 months ahead of Bank of America. I also told you when we'd get rate cuts, and we did. I did say it could be a half, and it was. I also said then the next month we'll get a 0.25, and it was. I then said we'll get one in December. I believe that, but then we'll start cooling off. I've said all this over a year ago, and I've been right every time. Next year, it's going to cool right down. The Russell is going to sell off. High volatile stocks are going to take profit. XRP will see a drop of 50%. We'll come onto the chart in a minute, and we will see it's already going down as I'm talking about it right now. More people are selling out as we're talking about it on that report. This is the most reliable voting poll on XRP. All the stuff you hear on YouTube channels. Remember, I'm not a YouTuber. I simply broadcast on YouTube TV. Reddit, StockTwits, all these places rubbish, and it doesn't help. It doesn't help the real investors. Okay. So this is a concern now. Inflation could be, it's not going to go up, but it means we'll hold rates for longer. So stocks like the Russell will all sell off eventually. They expect the Fed summary of economic projections, which is published at the end of every quarter, to show medium to 3 cuts of 25 basis points each for 2025, down from 4 earlier. The bank's economics also expected the report to show 2 cuts in 2026 and 1 in 2027. 2027, with the longer run medium dot rising to 3% or possibly 3.125% according to JP Morgan. That's enough of that. I'm going to move on. We're getting to the juicy part of Senay's report in a moment. This is important. Very, very nice. This is also an important crypto play. Palantir to be added to the NASDAQ 100 while Super Microcomputer is removed. We reported on this. There was lots of volatility on Super Microcomputer, but not good being removed from the NASDAQ. I don't really need to cover more than the first opening paragraph on this one. Palantir Technologies, MicroStrategy, and Axon Enterprise will be added to the NASDAQ 100. Now, this is really, really good for crypto because, of course, MicroStrategy is all about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin to enter the S&P 500 could be next. I'm very excited about that. As you all know, I only own the S&P. Why? To be completely transparent and honest, everyone knows I only own the S&P, so I can't pump and dump stock. I'm not here to sell videos. I'm here to simply report on the news and bring you the best people, the best CEOs, live interviews, all the training that we provide. I cover all the costs for it and help people out. That's why we rank number one now for most stocks, and 98% of our live viewers are members, which is absolutely phenomenal, higher than any other channel in the world. There's nothing even close. Go and check YouTube, buddy, and you'll see that. This is really good news. Not so good news, though, for Super Microcomputer and Moderna. Moderna was a COVID play, and that is all being removed now. Okay, next, we're getting to Senay's report. Just a few moments. Blue Whale Growth cut stakes in some magnificent 7 companies. This is important. Blue Whale Growth has cut its stakes in some of the so-called Magnificent Seven tech companies over worries about their exposure to artificial intelligence. It's starting to cool. And as we talk about it, look, people are selling their XRP. There was no doubt about it at the beginning of this video. I said it was going to go down, and it's going down. XRP is going down. Look at our poll. How has our poll changed? We've got 64 votes now. I'll give you the link again. 64 votes on the Lucas Archie. This has always been proven to be extremely reliable because no idiots, no silly idiots are involved in all this. This is real investors. 48% now are not bullish on XRP at the moment. At the moment, long term we are, but at the moment we're not. 48% no. Let's have a look. 48% no, 45% no, slightly less now percentage, but 80 votes now. This is getting a very busy poll. I've given you the link in the chat, and we hope you all go and check this out. I'll come on to the number. If it breaks, it's going down in a moment when Senay gives you his report. Okay, the next part of this report. We've covered that. Move on to this. Ripple, here we go. Now we're building up. If you've just arrived, please do tap the like button and consider subscribing. And at the end of our news and everything else, we will cover, we will upgrade all of those that are members that wish to be onboarded, that wish to access our training, wish to be able to speak to Senay and the team exclusively in Discord for all those information that's available 24 hours a day. All right, so there we go. What I'm going to do now, though, is we're getting a lot of trolls and bots and silly people talk about saying lots of stupid stuff in the chat, and we're not here for you. We're here for real investors. We don't mind if we get less viewers. We don't mind if we get less subscribers. We're not bothered. We're not interested. We provide the best service. So we're now going to move over to members only so we can answer all the members' questions as I get onto Senay's report and then see. So we are now in members only mode. So now only members can ask questions. 98% of you are members anyway, so that provides us with a better way to deal with our customers. Ripple stablecoin gets NYDFS approval in game changer development for XRP. Now, when we did this, we covered it live. We were the first in the world to cover it live within 18 minutes of it being posted by Brad Garlinghouse. We are currently in conversation with Brad Garlinghouse's team to get him on the show. That'll be exciting. We are covering a live earnings of Mobix next week, and I'm actually calling into the call. So we're now getting opportunities to call in on live calls and ask questions to the CEOs. That's me directly. Plus, we're getting interviews with CEOs. We're hoping to have Elon Musk on the show as well. There's a lot of plans to bring the best CEOs live to you on this show. So XRP, when we got this news, it pumped up. However, it's been pretty much selling ever since. It's not really gotten any further. Are people waiting for the RSULD? Well, we'll be talking about that in a minute. USD, sorry. Senay is going to talk about that in his report. XRP, the native cryptocurrency of the XRP ledger, which was created by Ripple's founders, extended its strong bull run in Wednesday morning trading, surging 20%. Great, everyone got excited. But remember, no point buying it. It won't ever make you any money. It's a stable coin. It's more stable than Coinbase's USD. It's simply just going to be $1 for one coin. So don't buy it thinking it's going to go up. It's not. What it does is it makes money for the banks. Now, I'm talking to Bank of America now and finding out that Bank of America are very close to using it. They're already looking at it and now they're going to use it.
Jerry and Elba donated $25 through a super chat. Here is $25 for Mike and Lisa. Sorry I did give it to you before.
Thank you very much, Jerry and Elba. That's very, very kind of you. The care package has gone off to send to Mike. He will be receiving it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and up to Christmas. There are 4 big packages that are on the way to Mike. So thank you very much, Jerry, for that. That's very, very kind of you. Brilliant. RLUSD marks Ripple's first foray into the 105 billion space. In April, the company said it's planning to launch its own stablecoin, which will be pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar, backed by USD deposits, short-term US treasuries, and another cash equivalents. Obtaining final approval from the new DFS is a game changer. Arthur Azizov, CEO of all-in-one crypto ecosystem for business B2B Pay, said in a statement, this development is poised to attract even greater investor interest in XRP. Already, RLUSD is being viewed as a potential competitor to USDT and USDC. Yes, it's far better. Absolutely far better, and the people I'm talking to at the Bank of America are going to use it. So this is great news for XRP. Long term, we say XRP is going to $10. However, if you don't take profits, you miss out on accumulating more. That's what our members have been doing, and every time Senay calls the top, he's spot on. We take our profit, it goes down. We've had 2, 125 and 120%, and now we're expecting a 50%. We now own a lot more XRP because of it. Not me. Remember, I only own the S&P. Now, I did get a message from someone earlier who's not a member, of course, someone trolling my channel, said, I don't believe it. Martyn Lucas says he only owns the S&P. And next week, I'm actually going on a YouTube channel being interviewed about XRP and being challenged on this very subject. So for those of you who don't know better, if you look at my portfolio, this is my real portfolio. If you scroll down, I've started with $5,000. I've got 106 there, 27 in my Roth IRA, and I've got a grand total now of 134,157, all from 5,000. Never shorted a stock, never done options, and I do not lose ever on my trade. Since I rebalanced in January, 19 trades, 19 wins. I never lose money because I don't chase money. I protect my army, and that way I never lose money, and it works for me very well. There's my S&P, VOO, all in VOO, and as you can see, 99.87%. The reason why it doesn't say exactly 100% is when someone signs up for Robinhood, I get a free share, and I very often get Apple. In the UK, I get, because I've got both accounts, I get J&J, but 100% of my money is in the S&P, so you know that this is real information. If you do want free shares from Robinhood, there's the Robinhood USA, and there is Robinhood UK, if you want that. Okay, so let me come back to this report here. He sees the price of XRP trading in the $5 to $7 range during the first half of 25 at press time. The token changed hands at $2.44. So he's seeing between $5 and $7. There we go. Now we see XRP going to 10. But does that mean you shouldn't be trading it and taking profit? Of course not. You should absolutely be building your position now because we are in the volatile stage and it could easily drop 50%. It's not a matter of when. It's not a matter of if. It's a matter of when. Okay. So there's more information. Now, if you do like this latest information, I access this through Seeking Alpha. I'll give you my Seeking Alpha referral. Without my referral, you have to pay full price and you don't get a free trial. So you might as well try it. There it is in the chat. It's also below every video. There is my Alpha spread as well. It's a way I review stocks. Again, I know the CEO. You get a deal better than anybody else can offer you. In fact, it's so good. My members basically get their membership for free by getting Alpha spread. Okay, right, we're just about now to give you Senay's report. He's recorded this in Switzerland and sent it in because he can't be here today. But rather than not cover the show, even though it's my 7th wedding anniversary, I decided to cover it because many people wanted to know what was going on. Thank you, Justin.
Justin MC has become a member.
Thank you very much indeed. Everybody that wants onboarding, in 27 minutes from now, at the end of the show, I will onboard everybody that wishes to be onboarded. You'll be given your perks. You'll be given your information on how you can access all the knowledge, the training, and so on and so forth. I will give you all of that at the end of the show. All right? Okay. Now then, I did have some more information about XRP and Bitcoin, but I'd rather get straight to Senay's report right now because we've got just coming up to 1,000 people tuning in live. Let me look at this report again. 80 votes, 40. The question I asked you was, XRP, time to profit. Are you still bullish? 50% crash XRP. Not a matter of when. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. 80 votes now. If you haven't yet voted, it's on our community page on YouTube. It ranks, of course, on Google as well, on the homepage, as we rank #1 for this. There you go. I will refresh it. 45%, 80 votes. 44%, 117 votes now. This is a very, very, very useful tool, and I think people are trading this. This is called the Lucas Archie. It's our own indicator. Think of the Fibonacci. It's called the Lucas Archie, but it's only real investors. You don't see it on Stock Twitch. You don't see it on Reddit. You don't see idiots messing around with it. And it's been like accurate, extremely accurate all the way through our journey.
Mike 166A donated $4.99 through a super chat. Congrats to you and Leah on your anniversary. Go, go, go.
Thank you very much, Mike. 7 years today in the US, and in 6 months it'll be 7 years in the UK as we got married twice in both countries. Thank you very much, Mike. I appreciate that. So please go and vote on that, and you can have your say. Now then, we are 1 minute away from bringing you Senay's report. Just before I do, I have some very important things to give to you. You've all got Seeking Alpha now and Alpha Spread. You've all got the Instagram and X. Very important because I post my trades before I make them. A couple of days ago, I bought and I pulled the pin. I bought another 5 shares of the S&P 500. And tomorrow morning, if we are down, I'm buying another 10 shares of the S&P. That's a $5,000 after the $2,500 I did on Friday. Why? We're coming up to ex-dividend day, and I'm extra bullish on the S&P, but I believe it's selling off under all this sort of negativity. So if you want to know if I'm buying, look, my Instagram and X is where I put it before I actually make the trade. Okay, so you know, I always do that. Now, the members, I've got a little treat for you. You asked, 30 of you said you wanted our Christmas mug. Well, we're 30 seconds away from Senay's report. There is our Christmas mug. Limited supply. It's gone extremely limited already, and it runs out on Wednesday. This is it here. We have a Christmas mug from $19. We have a black mug as well. Happy Christmas. We have socks. I do apologize for the cost of shipping the socks. It's because they're made far away from America and they're really expensive to ship. Having said that, we've got people already bought them, but I try to make everything as cheap as possible, but the shipping is like about $15. So if you are putting everything in the basket, if you put a mug in, it's about $4, a lot cheaper. So just bear that in mind. If you take the socks out, it gets a lot cheaper to ship. All right. It runs out on Wednesday. We've already gone extremely limited. It might sell out today. There are only a limited number, and the deal ends on Wednesday. There's no more. It'll be taken off sale. It's our Christmas mug. We've got the Lucas Age there. It's signed. I've signed it, and there it is. Just in time for Christmas. If you'd like that, it's already limited. There you go. Okay, now time to bring you Senay's report. So where did we go? Members only. Let me scroll up to answer the questions and then see if we can put those to Senay in his report. So here we go. We've got TJ Malden, XRP following bits chart will probably recover around 11 this evening. This has been the daily chart for 4 days. Thank you, TJ Malden. Hi, everyone. Got a question about a few cryptos. Senay will be back next week. If you want to talk directly with Senay, he'll be back next week. Here's the person to talk to about crypto directly. He is the expert. I am everything else. Should be looking for support at 190, potentially 146. Don't then doubt. We don't care, mate. Yeah, if it's one of our trolls earlier, yeah, just leave. We don't care. We don't need subscribers. We're here to build the best family, not the biggest. Thank you so much. You guys don't have to do all this, but thank you a lot from Lisa and myself. Yes, we do. We take care of our family, Mike. What is XRP? It's a crypto, the best crypto coin. Hi, folks. Hope you're all doing well. Justin MC just became a member. Happy anniversary. Thank you very much. Happy anniversary. Saab. Thank you very much indeed, Saab. Appreciate you so much indeed. Congratulations on the anniversary. Just sold my IRA as well. First limit buy. Just sold from IRA as well. You can't buy XRP in your IRA, so I'm not sure what you mean by that. Happy anniversary, Kim. Hoping the FOMO sellers will drop it now. A nice little drop. God bless you, Mike. Thank you very much. Thank you, Jerry and Elba. You're welcome. Saab not selling any more XRP now. I will give you a little spoiler as we start Senay's video. Basically, Senay is about to tell you, I'm going to give you a little spoiler, you shouldn't be trading it right now. You should just be holding it and adding. There's a little spoiler, but we're now going to hear from Senay. Senay is away this week. He is back next week. He is skiing in the Swiss Alps, and I said we do not miss a Sunday, so I've covered it, and Senay, I asked Senay in the most nicest possible way, can you record something that I can share with our audience this afternoon? He said yes. So it's not quite as good quality as normal because he was away from the studio, but we do have the information, and here it is now. Can everyone tap the like button, please? We've got just under 1,000 people watching, and we'd love to get 500 likes. Here is the report from Senay. After this, we'll come back with your questions, and then we shall do the onboarding at the end of the show. Now, it's time to introduce our special segment as recorded in Switzerland from Senay. Here we go.
To the channel, my name is Senay Crypto, and I'm going to be doing an XRP update for you all. So let's get straight into it. I've got the chart up right now. I'm currently recording this on Saturday. This will be going out tomorrow during the time that my normal live streams will occur. I'd like to apologize. I'm currently on holiday. I haven't taken a holiday for about 6 months over the weekend. So I'd like to apologise that I'm not with you live, but feel free to reach out to me on Discord or in the in the comment section, and I'll reply to all your questions. Again, anything I say during this video is not financial advice.
Do
not copy my trades. Do not take this as financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. I'm currently looking at the XRP price. And we can quite clearly see we are breaking back below this $2.40 level, which has been a very important level for us. We had previously broken above it, and then we also have this downward sloping red trend line that signifies a break of trend. We did break past that. That led to some more momentum to the upside. We went to about $2.50, and then we've retraced since. We haven't come back and tested this red trend line, so we might find some support down here at $2.30, but the real support is back at $2.28. Remember, above $2.28, the next resistance at $2.40. Once we break $2.40, it's looking like $2.62. We failed last time round, so now it looks like we might be heading back to $2.30. If we break $2.30, $2 is the next support. And as I've been saying, we are in the middle of two major ranges. I wouldn't try and look to trade this. I'll just know that below 240 we're bearish until 230. If we find 230 as support, then we're bullish again, and we're moving and trying to break 240. If we break 230, we're heading to $2. So again, it's that range where we might go sideways for a little bit, find some volatility, but the major levels is $2 as support, and $2.62 to $2.70 to break to head to all-time highs. So Those are the levels I'm watching for on XRP. Currently, as expected, we're going sideways, a little bit of volatility. We broke out of 240, which was looking bearish, but that was a failed breakout, and we're heading back down on the 4-hour chart. We're looking at the daily chart. Again, not much to take away. It is just hit new highs of this bull run, then ever since gone sideways, and now we're just looking for Bitcoin to continue to move higher, for that liquidity to move into XRP, to ultimately break the $2.62 and make new highs of this bull run, and then all-time highs as well. But yeah, one other thing I wanted to mention is historically, crypto bull markets follow a cycle. It's you can see it on the chart. It's accumulation. That's what we had for the last 3 years. Then we have the breakout, which happened at the beginning of November at 65 cents, and that took us all the way. That breakout was a big breakout, took us all the way to $2.85. And then there's euphoria. I don't think we've hit euphoria yet. There was a bit of euphoria over there, but I think we'll go sideways, and then have one last move up, breaking all-time highs and heading up to that $5 mark. That's my main target for this bull run. And that's that euphoria, and then I want to make this clear again. Nothing's financial advice, but in crypto bull runs, there is definitely a lot of it's driven by market psychology and liquidity, and there will be inevitably will be a sharp correction. There will be an 80% drop. I think we'll definitely see these levels again. We'll probably come back down to $2, $1.50 in the bear market. So there will be a euphoria stage where everyone thinks it's going to continue going up, but there's all these price targets of $100, $1,000. They're never going to be hit in this bull run, I believe. So that's why I'm looking to take my profits and ladder out my position at $4.50, $5.30, $6.30, $7.40, $8.50, $10.33, just in case it ever goes that high. I'll be leaving a little bit on the side for $11.33, but most of my profits will be taken between $4 and $7. So yes, the reason I'm making this video is because I am on holiday, and I don't have access to my full live streaming equipment, so I wanted to bring you a little update, and that update is we failed to maintain that breakout we saw. We can have a look at it on the 4-hour time frame again, and we are heading back down. The next level of support is $2.30, but I wouldn't really worry about it because the major levels is $2 support and $2.62 to $2.70 to break out towards the upside. There's a lot of people panicking, but this is just as expected, sideways volatile movements. And I wouldn't worry about it too much. It's actually quite nice to see some consolidation that resets the indicators on the RSI. We are no longer overbought on the daily. And now we're looking at Bitcoin to make new all-time highs, go to 110,000, move sideways, let that liquidity fall into XRP, so we can go on that last euphoric run for XRP and I'll be taking my profits. Again, none of this is financial advice. If you want to leave a comment down below, and I will get back to all your questions, or join us on Discord. Again, I'll be back next Sunday. This is a very temporary setup where I'm just trying to bring you a live video. But until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.
So there we go. Thank you, Senay, for recording that for us in Switzerland, as you heard on his temporary setup, to be able to bring that. So it's quite clear from there. We do expect a big drop at some point. We're going to see it drop 50%, if not more. But now we're in that tight range where we just hold on. If you are taking profits when it pops up, it's not a bad idea. But we are bullish. We still believe, like Senay believes as well, it's a $10 coin, $10 asset, so the great profit is there. But you know, if you're going to make real money, you need to accumulate. So taking profits around this area up and down is a good idea. As we have said multiple times, that's how to do it. Well, there you go. So we hope you enjoyed that. Thank you, Senay, for sending that in. But what we're going to do now is upgrade and onboard everyone that needs to be able to get access to Discord now and be able to speak to our team. You can talk to me 24 hours a day. You can talk to our guys, our team, Senay Crypto and others 24 hours a day whenever they're available to give you information. I'm always in there. I'm always checking. And in fact, the extra channel is 24 hours a day. And I wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning and I see what people are concerned about, planning the show in the morning. So there we go. Right, I've just got a flag from Spring, our shop. We are now extremely limited. We've sold out in some of the items, and if you want to get your Christmas mug or other Christmas souvenirs, we are now selling out. So here is the link once again. I'll give everybody the link just there in the chat. There you go. That's our link. And the offer anyway ends on Wednesday. So by Wednesday, it'll disappear, and it's Monday tomorrow. So you're running out of time if it's not sold out before. There you go. All the mugs are signed, and they're all personalized, and they're sent anywhere around the world. Okay, I do apologize for the cost of the socks shipping. It's the Christmas socks. It's because they're made outside of the US, and anyone in the US has to pay a premium to get them into the US. But didn't put off Zach Zape this morning, who bought a pair of those. I can see we had Senay in the chat. What did Senay just say? Hi all, glad you're enjoying my Sunday show, even though I'm not here. Yes, it's a wonderful audience, Senay. We knew it would. I could not possibly let this go by today and not support the members. Senay, you missed me tell you, everybody, it's actually me and Leah's 7th wedding anniversary today. So I had to be extremely nice to Leah to say, could I cover the show today while you're on holiday? So she's okay with it because we've got a big audience. She said, you got to do what you got to do, I suppose. But yeah, she wasn't thrilled at first. She's just popped out to the shops and she'll be back. By the time she gets back, I would have finished anyway. So there we go. It's now time, as promised, to onboard everybody that needs to be onboarded. So if you want to be a member, access all the perks. Here is the last chance to become a member during this show. And there is Discord. I will onboard everybody. So I will go through all the comments. If you have not yet been onboarded, give me your username. If you are a premium member, so you can see Discord, but you've not yet had a friend request, now is the time to do it. Give me your username. I will look in the chat, find you, and I will upgrade you. So now is the time to do that. While I'm doing that, one final friend request sent. So Kim Priest, I need your username so I know what to look for. Otherwise, I have no idea. I always delete them if you're not a member. Otherwise, I have piles and piles of friend requests. I just delete them. Unless you give me your username in the chat, I can accept it. So that's why we're doing this at the end of the show today. Okay, now then, while I'm doing this for everybody, you might be interested, for those of you that have been following our Friday night concerts. We had a great XRP concert on Friday to let the world know about XRP. It was our best music Friday night concert. I've just released, just in time for Christmas, a playlist of Christmas songs. They're coming out every like 6 hours or so. There's Let It Snow. Can you see Let It Snow there? Look, Mistletoe and Wine, Driving Home for Christmas, Step Into Christmas, Santa Baby. We've got Merry Christmas, White Christmas, I Believe, Merry Christmas Everyone, Wish It Could Be Christmas, Band-Aid. Remember Band-Aid? Jingle Bell Rock, Winter Wonderland, Last Christmas, George Michael, and Most Wonderful Time of the Year. The first 4 videos are out. The rest are coming out over the coming few days. So I will give you now the Christmas playlist. If you'd like a bit of festivity in your life, here is the Christmas playlist. The first 4 are out, and the rest will be out in the coming days. So let me give everybody the Christmas playlist. There it is. I will pin it to the top. I would love you to go and check it out and make me as famous as Mariah Carey. There you go, at Christmas. And you can go and check out all of those. All right, we've got some fun videos that you might enjoy. There is the Christmas playlist. Right, now I've given everybody that. Let's have one final look at our poll, and we're going to upgrade everybody. Here we go.
Vaz donated £10 through a super chat. Happy holiday, Sensei. About 20th time this year. See no evil monkey. See no evil monkey.
About 20th time this year. Yeah. Saying nothing. Right, I'm always going to be here, folks. I will always be here. Every show will always be covered. That's my promise to you. My shows, Sensei shows, every show will be covered. I'm not going anywhere.
Sensei Crypto has become a member. Wow. Happy anniversary. Thanks all for watching. Show is every Sunday. Extra shows if they're important news. Stay tuned, exciting things coming. Winking face.
Yes, winking face. More stuff coming. That's all we can tell you. But for members now, you're going to get some granddad rights.
£10 through a super chat. Happy anniversary to our favourite online couple. Heart, heart.
Thank you very much indeed. Leah will appreciate that very much indeed. That's very kind. Thank you so much indeed. I'm taking Leah out to dinner tonight, so that will go towards the meal. Thank you so much indeed. Right, the votes now, 164 votes, 47% say no, we're not bearish. Now 165 votes, 47% not bearish. Sorry, we are. Are you bearish? Hang on a minute, I've been reading it wrong. No, I'm not. I've been reading it right. Are you still bullish? No. Are you still bullish? So we're bearish. Yes, I was right. Sorry about that confusion. No, 47%. So carry on voting with that if you wish to do so. Right, now let me go into members only mode, please. And everybody now, please repeat your Discord username if you want me to answer a question, read something out, or you want me to onboard you or accept a friend request. Don't just say, please accept my friend request. I don't know who you are. I know who you are, but you know what I mean? I can't remember everyone's username. I can't remember my own username, let's be honest. So please come back now with your username. So let me just scroll up, see a few things that I might see. So if I've not read this out, please repeat it. I'm not scrolling to the top. We're going to start here. I'm in Texas now. Yes, just 6 days to go, and we're all meeting at the McKinney Steakhouse. All of you who are members have seen the members only video, and you're going to be there. We've got people come from all over the place. Very, very excited. I can't wait to meet you all. Hi, Stephen. Hi, Crag. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Damn, autocorrect. Don't worry. Mike, I blame the UFOs. Yes, UFOs. What's going on with this UFO business? Bunch of bloody drone enthusiasts loving the attention. Mike, keep your eyes on the skies. Michael, how you doing? Good evening, Andrew. Yeah, I am for sure. Hi all, glad you're enjoying the show, even though I'm not here. Wonderful. Hi James, good video. We all loved it. Good evening, Sensei. No sleep last night. Happy anniversary to Martyn and Leah. Thank you very much indeed. Evening, James. Good to see you. Hi Leah. Hi Martyn. How do I add you on Discord? Okay, well you are a member. Here you go. Here's the Discord link. Okay, it takes 10 minutes to sign up. Give me your username when you're in, and I will onboard you. Send me a friend request at the same time, and I will accept it. Okay, that's the only way during live streams. No point sending me friend requests off air. I don't know who you are until you prove to me you are a member here on the show. Okay, can I get Discord on my phone? You can, yes. I've got Discord as an app. Yes, you can get a Discord app. I use it. I think the computer's easier, but yes, you can. Happy anniversary. Thank you, Stephen. I appreciate it. Please check out Martyn Lucas' merchandise. The seal of approval. Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. I don't know why we got 374 likes and 31 down likes. These bloody idiots on crypto, they come in because I'm not talking about crypto right now. They start down liking it. We've brought you great information today, fundamental analysis. We've brought you technicals, charts. Sensei's made a special video for you. We've covered all the questions. And now at the end of the show, as I said at the beginning, I would onboard all our members. And of course, they don't listen. They're too stupid. And they start down liking you. When you down like the video, nothing happens to me. I still grow. We're still growing the best, most live channel in the world. All that happens is when you down like, you won't see this anymore. So you won't know what's going on in the world for real. Okay? You'll just hear all the other nonsense that is being sold on YouTube. You won't get to hear what we're doing. So just bear that in mind. It doesn't bother me. In fact, it's good if you down like it, because I get less trolls. Still going down, look. Yes, James. Hi, Sensei. Lucas, here we go. My Discord name is JB. Okay, please add me. Right, you are a member. So now I'm going to add you. Here we go. I've just got to get you on the screen. Let me bring you up a second. Let me just get rid of my alert so I can grab you. There you go. So I'm just going to grab this text. Please add me. I hope you're there. I hope you've done all the steps. Here we go. It's our first one. As promised, at the end of the show, I would onboard everybody. I can hear Leah coming back from the shops, so I'm going to end the show in a minute. Yes, Jay Ballin. Jay Ballin, I've got you. Here you are. Let me share with you what I'm doing. I can now add you. If you've sent me a friend request, I will accept it. If you've not sent me a friend request, I can't do it until you come back again and remind me. I won't. No, you've not added me as a friend. So watch out for the scammer pretend Martyn Lucases. They're not me. I haven't added you as a friend, but you are now onboarded, and your name is correct as it is on YouTube. So we're all good. You're done, other than the friend request. Okay. If you want that done again, you have to come back and give me your username again. All right, I won't be searching for it. I can't possibly remember. Let's scroll down. James, but the times to have resolved, but that seemed to have resolved for me. Yes, I've been fixing a lot of the requests before. You may not have seen me. You may not have seen it on a live show. Okay, friend request sent. Kim Pierce, I need your username. That means nothing to me. All right, let's have a look. I have been onboarded. I have trouble trying when it's members only. I have been onboarded. No, Hugo Castillo, you're not a member of the channel. So you can't access members only, and you don't have access to Discord. Unless you are a Discord premium member, then give me your username and I will friend request you. But that's why I've not done it, because you're not a YouTube member. Give me your username and I will do it for you. All right? If you're saying that you are a member. A Discord premium member, that would be. All right, KN Plyfe. Let me have a look. This is Kim Priest. Let me search for you. We're just at the end of our show, onboarding our guests. Kim Priest, yes, you are a member. Have you sent me a friend request? Yes, you have. I've accepted it. Kim Priest, you are now finally updated. Thank you very much indeed. Kim Priest, you are done. Thank you very much indeed. Adam Pets. Wants to be upgraded. Whoop-a-daisy, let me just move that back. There we go. Adam Pets needs to be upgraded to receive all of the perks. Let me go over to Discord. I know I'm not showing everybody. It's quicker when we got so many, just to me to get on with it. There we go. El Smokey. Adam Pets, you actually are a premium customer. You get priority in Discord. So we're going to give you extra benefits. There's a YouTube membership, done. And profile, yes, you've sent me a friend request and I accept. There you go. I've just done you. There you go. You are now done. Thank you very much indeed. You can access all of the extra benefits by being a YouTube member. Next one. But what was the info? Wow. Now, we are going up and down. Senay just gave you the chart information. It was all there. Rewind the video to the beginning. All the information was provided. Let's scroll on down. Thank you, Senay. Thank you very much indeed. Senay is the best. Yes, he is. Discord username, Jay Ballin. I just did that for you. Or have you just done it again because you want me to now add you as a friend? Is that what it is? I can't remember now. So I'm just going to do it anyway. Please don't repeat it. If I have done it, it just makes me go over it twice. We're now trying to end the show as quickly as possible. Leah's back. It is my wife's birthday. Member. Profile, add friend. No, you've not sent a friend request, so I can't accept it. Okay, but I've upgraded your account. My Discord name is 7Large. Giles, let me do this now. We've just covered XRP news. We're now doing the onboarding at the end of the show. That's what's happening now. If you've just switched in, you need to go back to the beginning of the video. 7Large, yes, you are a member. Where is it? Giles, yes, you are a member. 7Large, let me give you a role of YouTube member. Yes, done. Profile, accept friend request, done. Thank you very much indeed. You've all been done. Fantastic. That's really good. James, that's been done. Jerry and Albert, thank you very much indeed. Senay celebrates 31 months of membership. Wow, happy anniversary. Thank you very much indeed. Jeff Lawson, thank you. Leah, everyone's wishing us happy anniversary. God bless Jerry and Albert. Can I get the Lucas Archie indicator on TradingView? It's on our... Yeah. Maybe one day we'll sell it to them. Yeah. Hey, wanna upgrade? No idea what that means. You got through before I was in members only. Cindy McDonald's. Let me. You are a member. Let me look. Aussie. Let's have a look for you. If you just tuned in, we've covered all the news. Sensei's done all the charts. We're now doing. No, you're not on Discord. Let me just refresh there. Lots of people joining. There's no point joining if you're not a YouTube member or premium customer. It's not available to you. So, Cindy McDonald, Aussie, no, you've not verified your email. You are a member. You're able to get the service, but you've not verified. I don't see you on Discord with that username. Vaz, I've done very well. Kept my weekends free for the last 6 months. I've sold XRP, 50% crash coming. 7 large in Discord. Yes, I just did that, didn't I? 7 large in Discord. I just want to make sure, because when people say it twice, it may be because they're asking for the friend request. You are a member. Profile. No, I've done that with friends. So that's good. Friend request. KN Plyfe. Let me do that again. If you are doing it twice, please don't do it twice unless you need me to then friend request you. Otherwise, it just slows the process down. I will get through everybody, but no more now, please. If you've just tuned in, please no more. Right, let's finish these. My wife's back now. I need to... no, you have not sent me a friend request, so I can't accept that. Sensei's been asked a question in the chat. If you can answer that, that'd be great, Sensei. I've been to that steakhouse. It's nice. Stepping into grace. That's where we'll be on Saturday. Jerry and Elba. XRP rise on the ledger. New here. Let's all make some money. Absolutely. It's very easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. I never lose on my trades. Not sure how. There's a Discord link. Remember, folks, all the Discord links and everything is below all my videos. You don't even need me to be here to access Discord. You can always do it yourself. Oh, I see the link. There you go. It says you're not accepting friend requests. I am accepting friend requests. You're seeing me do it. I'm doing it live on the show. You're seeing me do it. The reason is you've not verified on Discord. Until you're verified on Discord, I can't accept your friend request. That's it. This can happen quickly, so get 50% crash can happen at any time. There you go. How do I add a friend request on Discord? Ask anyone in the welcome channel and they'll tell you how to do it. I can't explain now on the show how to do that. Hi, Martin. Good evening. Welcome from Belgium. Hello there. Cindy McDonald, been trying for days. Cindy, I keep looking, but everyone's doing it. I can't. If you go into Discord or chat on the extra channel, no, I'm still not finding you. It means you've not verified your email. That's what it basically means. The 24-hour chat on the extra channel, people will help you. People will help you and give you support. How do I get premium on Discord? How do you get premium on Discord? When I give you the link, like this, it tells you. When you click on that link, it tells you about premium if you want premium. Okay? Okay. Let me finish up now. I'm doing Discord real quick. Give me a minute. I've got to go, folks. We're coming to the last couple of seconds. Rod Lynn, good morning to you. Thank you, James, for all the love for Leah and myself. Thank you. I think the last one now. If you haven't done it, you can do it again tomorrow at the end of my show. I'm now doing onboarding at the end of the shows, not in the middle of the shows. At the end of the shows, I will onboard you. Mike, Mr. Skungilam. All right, I found you. Let me give you... You've not sent me a friend request, so I can't accept it. But I can now give you member. There you go. I've now added you to Discord. This is you on Discord. You can now access all the services. There you go. There you go. Mike, there you are. I need to change your name so it's the same as it's on YouTube. If tomorrow you send me a friend request, give me your username again, and I'll come back and accept it. But I'm now going to give you a nickname so it matches your name here on YouTube. And that is Mr. Skungliman. That's hard to say, isn't it, that? Let me put that there. The reason for that is people know who you are. That's how you've pronounced it and spelt it. That's how it is for you. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. I think that was the last one. Mike, Danny, just become a member. Yes. Right. What category do I have to press in Discord to get live info on stocks and crypto? All I see is merchandise selling. No, you don't. No, you don't. Please don't say that. It's not true at all. All I see is merchandise selling. No, you don't. Please, please be respectful to our server. All right. That's not how it is at all. There's a welcome all channel. All right. General chit chat, breakfast bar, stock news. There's nothing in stock news about my merchandise. There's nothing in YouTube Live about merchandise. Nothing in supporters. Nothing in competitions. There is things about merchandise in the merchandise channel. There's nothing in there in the scam alert. Senay Crypto. Nothing in there about merchandise. Ed Nevius, our scalp trader. Nothing in there about merchandise. So please don't say that. It just isn't true. And if it's not true, member or not, I will tell people it's not true. There was definitely a Discord issue. I had it posted in the general channel, but it resolved for me today. Yeah, the reason for it taking some time is sometimes you've not verified your email, and if you have, it hasn't gone through the server. That's all it is. It normally takes 10 minutes. All right, last person, and we are done with final thoughts. This is Corey Larson. Corey Larson has given me his username. Let me just do this, and then we'll finish with this. The next onboarding will be at the end of tomorrow's show. No more today. Thank you very much indeed. Let me give everybody that. Your carpet guy, you're not signed in for Discord yet. You may not have waited 10 minutes. Please make sure you verified the email and everything else you need to do. Don't worry, you can access it tomorrow. All right, now then. That's taken care of all of that. Thank you ever so much indeed, everyone. Please, all the people that signed up, if you're signing up without being YouTube members, you can't access Discord. It's unless you go premium, of course, then if you want to pay for it. But if you want the membership base level, then that's free as a member. I have to onboard you. I can't do that. I can't. No, that one's not. Benny B, you're not a member either. You haven't waited the 10 minutes. So there we go. Right, I'll clear that down. If you have sent me a friend request, I will delete it. I only do them through the show. Don't send me hundreds of member requests. I just delete them, and then we do them again on the live shows because people just friend request me thinking they're going to get into the server, and it's not going to happen. Okay. Right, let me finish up now. Thank you. Everyone tap the like button. Consider subscribing. We will be back tomorrow morning for the opening bell. It's a huge week. We have got, of course, in a few days' time, this event. Everyone needs to tune into this. This is the big event. It'll more than likely be bigger than our XRP event. This is the event. You need to understand what the Fed says during the announcement and at the press conference. Of course, we're going to cover it members only first of all, so we can answer all the questions and make predictions. Here is our FOMC report. It's NVIDIA day. Because it's a huge weight on NVIDIA on this day, and it will determine whether we get the Santa rally. Remember, the Santa rally is the last 5 days of trading and the first 2 days of January. So that's what that is. Please join us for that. If you want the poll is on our community page. 165 votes, 200 votes now. Oh, more people are now bearish. You are not bullish anymore. 49%, that's going down. XRP is going down. As we said, this is a very, very accurate indicator. I strongly suggest you look at the indicator. The Lucas Archer on our community pages, we do polls all the time, and they are always right. They always tell the direction of the stock because it's not idiots in StockWits, YouTubers trying to sell videos, StockTwits, Reddit. It's a really good indicator of real investors. If you want to join me, later on next week, I'm going to be interviewed by an XRP enthusiast on his YouTube channel and be quizzed over my thoughts. If you look on X, there it is. It's the Powell Group. They want to interview me. You can find their channel and all the rest of it, and you can tune in for that event. You might like to do that. That's on my X. There is the link for X. There is the link for Instagram. And that's it. I gave everybody the Christmas playlist. I've just recorded a Christmas playlist. Go and check it out. It's pinned into the top, and there it is. Enjoy some Christmas music over the festive period. I've made videos for everyone, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Enjoy your anniversary. Good night, and enjoy the evening. Thank you very much. I will for the last couple of seconds open it up to everyone, so everyone has had the chance to say something in the chat if they want to. Let me do this. YouTube is going a bit slow today. Come on. There's some issues today on YouTube. Oh, there we go. Subscribers. Yes, now everyone can talk. Bloody hell. Hell of a slow today. Hell of a slow. Let me clear the decks, give my final thoughts to everybody. There we go. We are now in general mode again, so everybody can take part. Right, I'm going to send everyone now to the extra channel. This is our 4 hours a day service. So you're able to talk to the members, keep in touch with what everyone's feeling about XRP and everything else for that matter. So let me give you the redirect. So as the show ends, you don't have to do anything. It'll automatically go to the redirect. I wish I could just get it up. The computer is going really bloody slow. I've never seen YouTube behaving this slow before. This is absolutely unbelievable. I'll give everybody the link manually as well. We have backup procedures for everything. You're welcome, Stefan. There is the link to the extra channel in case I can't make it work the other way, but I'm sure I will. Customization. There we go. It's moving a bit better now. Customization. This is where we are live right now. Senay is doing the charts for you, explaining everything for you. And there you go. All right. I think we've covered that. So this is the extra channel. As I finish, it will take you here automatically, and you can be with the members 24 hours a day. And I add all the new videos as they come out, so you can hear them if you didn't watch them the first time. That's what it is. It's a restream, but the members are in there live. I'm in there live chatting to you. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. I will see you back. I'm not normally here on a Sunday, but I wanted to cover this event. Very, very important. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you for all the wishes for me and Leah on our 7th wedding anniversary. We're about to hit 53,000 subscribers. In fact, we might do it in the next hour. Very, very close. Thank you so much indeed for all your support. That's it from me. Final thoughts from me is we are bullish on XRP. If we're going to buy crypto, XRP is the way to go. One to hold, of course, is Bitcoin, but we want to make money from it. We can't lose money. We don't lose money. We never lose money on this show. You've seen my portfolio up to nearly 135. Was it 136 now? $134,000. I'm expecting to be 150,000 by the end of the year. Keep breaking those all-time highs. So we're very, very bullish. However, there's opportunity to take profits. As Senay said, you could stay where you are now. It will break out eventually, but there could be a big dip before then. If you don't mind it going down and you've got money on the sidelines, just do that. Stay where you are, wait for it to go down and buy some more. However, if you're trying to accumulate more XRP, then perhaps I would suggest take some profit and buy it back, because we think it's going to go down before it goes up. Even if it goes up a little bit, it'll be rejected and come back down. There's my final thoughts. I look forward to seeing you all in the morning. I will meet many of you on Saturday as we meet at the McKinney Saltgrass. That's very, very exciting. Until then, thank you very much indeed. You've been absolutely wonderful. And that's it from me. Have a pleasant evening, and I look forward to seeing you all back in the morning. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.